Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Kimi AI platform. Here you can go and type K3, then open this website. Now you can see this one is the box. You can type anything. You can generate images, you can generate codes, slides, you can generate the docs files, sheets and many more. For example, let me type list 100 blog post titles for AI blog website. After that, press enter. Now you need to create the account. You can use your Gmail account. You can also create your account with the phone number. So let me select this one. Scroll down, click here continue button. Then again click here enter. Now it is generating all the titles. Now here you can see 100 titles are ready. Now I want to ask about these titles, so I can copy. These are the titles that I like. Just I can copy it, generate focus keywords with keyword research volume for each. Create the table. After that, again add these titles, then press enter. So now it is generating the keywords. Now here you can see all of the focus keywords are ready. Now if you want to export all of the data, just you need to type export table data in Excel file. Now press enter. Okay, here you can see all the data is available in this file. Just we can download this file and after that save it into the laptop. That looks fine.